Okay, another part of the RV glam life. Oh yeah, just temporary until these rains stop and then I can get up and reseal my roof. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, so let me show you the rest of my glamorous life now that you've got to see my charcoal facial peel. This pillow was wet this morning. And no, I do not really sleep with pee-pee pads. Seriously. Oh, jeez. We had a major rainstorm. And I know I've been needing to get up on my roof and reseal it, but it has been dry and dusty, so I haven't done it because I didn't want to reseal it with a bunch of dust blown around. Okay, so I caught some water. How about I do that? Yeah. Out of there. Excuse me. It was dripping from here. Nice. I need a new vent cover. Let's go over here. See if there's any water in that pan. Yes, there's water in that pan. And the light cover. And the light that water was dripping out of. Boy, my life is so exciting. So needless to say, I didn't make my bed this morning because I had to peel this back, let the AC dry, all this, and of course cover it to keep the rest of it safe. And we're not done yet. We are not done yet. Oh, let's get up here. Oh, that doesn't look pretty. That looks like something else. And oh my God. Oh, that is full, 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 full. I didn't know it was going to get that full, so I'll pour it in this one. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's all the water. Wow. That's not good. That is not good. Oh, and the towel is soaking wet. Oy. And I bet my shoes are soaking wet. Maybe not. No, the bottom of that for some reason. Okay, I guess I caught all the water with the towel. But yeah, I'm also dripping from here. So definitely have to do my roof hopefully on Sunday. And I have a mosquito. So that, oh, I better be careful not to spill that. Dang, that's a lot of water. I gotta get a dry towel. Put it over here and put this back in case we get more rain. I hope we don't. I was gonna sleep on the couch tonight, but I'd really rather sleep in my bed. I'm trying to get out of bed. Okay, there we go. I use a step ladder, so I had to find the first step. So yeah, lovely life here. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Ick, you are soaking wet. Wow. Okay, so Sunday I'll be busy. Happy 4th of July! Great 4th of July. Oh well. And so, welcome to the glamour of RV living. Gotta go with the flow. Stuff happens, just go with it. And don't let it go though. You know, you gotta address issues when they come up. But what a day. What a day. Now I can hear popping from fireworks, but nothing spectacular. I went outside for a while and tried to watch, but there was nothing spectacular. So, again, happy 4th of July, and welcome to my glamorous world. Peace out. Love y'all. Night night.